right? So did you use all these concepts that we learned in CA even while shortlisting propositions or shortlisting pitches that you got during Shark Tank India? Would you use whatever we learned during CA or your marketing skills also while evaluating these pitches?
एब्सोल्युटली एंड मैं बता रहा हूँ कि बैकग्राउंड लोग कहते हैं कि सीए का क्या फायदा हुआ। सीए से मुझे
Hmm.
जितना फायदा हुआ ना, क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं अब तू मार्केटिंग कर रहा है तो तेरी सीए की डिग्री तो वेस्ट होगी। नहीं
Yes,
भाई,
ma'am.
जितना
नहीं नहीं,
हाउ मच सीए हैज टॉट मी, नथिंग एल्स हैज टॉट मी, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन।
true.
इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ नोइंग। अगर मुझे कुछ करना होगा, मुझे पता है, अगर अगर 2 दिन भी होंगे ना, मैं कर लूंगा, क्योंकि बस 24 घंटे होते हैं। 18 घंटे कर सकते हैं, स्लॉग कर सकते हो। सो सीए के
True.
प्रिंसिपल्स जो होते हैं फाइनेंस के, अगर आपने वो सीख लिए तो लाइफ लॉन्ग आपको अब तो आप मार्केटिंग करने चाहते हो। इफ आई वेंट टू एन एमबीए स्कूल, फर्स्ट ईयर यू आर आल्सो टॉट फाइनेंस, यू आर टॉट
Absolutely.
प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फाइनेंस, राइट? So as a CA, you've learned all that, you know all that, and you just brush up on those skills going forward. Valuation is done by CAs. Due diligences are
Absolutely.
done by CAs.
Hmm.
Audits are done by CAs. They are the ones who tell you what you are doing right or wrong. So,
True.
boss, CAs are critical in anybody's life.
So
Keep yourself
like,
surrounded with a lot of CAs. My family is also about CAs. There are a lot
okay.
of friends around CAs. So, I advise everybody that you should have CAs around you always.
So same here, like I am a CA, my husband is a CA, my brother is a CA, my sister-in-law is a
Nice.
CA. So too much surrounded with CA. तो ये एंड आपने जैसे बोला लाइक वी एज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स आई थिंक स्टडिंग फॉर 16 hours 18 hours like other people might not get that vibe, but I think two chartered accountants on screen, I think we have been there. Like you said, if we don't slog for those many number of hours, then clearing it in the first attempt or even in the second attempt is like next to impossible. So
Yeah,
we
yeah,
know the
yeah.
efforts that we have been taking since then, and you know आगे भी
Mhm.
वैसे ही करते रहेंगे for sure.